Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can log into your Atlantis Crypto account. Watch the video till the end. To log into your Atlantis Crypto account, firstly open your Google search. Type in Atlantis Crypto login and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Click on the first link shown on the page. The login page of Atlantis Crypto will appear on the screen. Enter your email or username and password associated with your Atlantis Crypto's account. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. Enter your code given on the box. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password. After entering your code, click on Sign In. This is how you can sign into your Atlantis Crypto's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was useful to you. Thank you so much for watching.